ब्लू और पिंक. हे, choose one. कोई एक चूज करो ना. And in this way, an innocent would-be mother started the lifelong discrimination. I never knew we humans could even distinguish people based on colors. पिंक चूज किया तो लड़की होगी और ब्लू चूज किया तो लड़का. क्यों? When a boy wears a pink shirt, why is his sanctity questioned? If he likes a certain way of behavior, why is he deemed as gay? There's something known as tomboy, right? Why not a tom girl or something? Hello everyone, my name is Pragya and I welcome you all back to this little corner called Pehchan, a journey to know yourself. For the last few months, the topic of mental health and depression has been the talk of the town. Like a silver lining, the tragic incident that happened an year ago had thrown some light on the issue. However, it is heartbreaking that a person had to sacrifice his life to make people understand the importance of matter. Also, now the events have turned away, which is very apart from the topic of mental health, but still I hope that this remains the priority for people. This episode is largely based on mental health and the problems faced by men. So please share this video with every male you have on your contact list and also females, because they should also know the problems that men face. These days, there are hundreds and thousands of people talking about women's rights, women empowerment, and many other things. Undoubtedly, that's the need of our society and also is helping in some way or the other. But unfortunately, what we are forgetting is the other section of our society, the other pillar, the men. ठीक से बैठो, ये क्या लड़कियों की तरह बैठे हो? नहीं बेटा, बाबी डॉल्स लड़कियों के लिए होती हैं. ये लो, तुम कार से खेलो. Come on, pink is for girls. You cannot wear that pink shirt. तू रो रहा है यार? तू क्या लड़कियों की तरह रोने बैठ गया यार? तू तो अपना यार है यार, ब्रो. No wonder why Ranveer Singh is always trolled for his outfits. Like Deepika is not trolled when she wears a shirt and pant. Fair enough? I don't think so. Sometimes we unknowingly burden the boys of our house. I say it again, the boys of our house, with the things that take away their childhood suddenly. They are taught not to cry when they are just growing from an adolescent to an adult. The time when there are a lot of changes going on around them, in them, physically as well as emotionally. And when there are some who cry and try to express themselves, we hypocrite people term them as weak or not very boyish or manly. Why? Just because some tears roll down their cheeks, they're weak. That boy is not a boy enough. I'm not saying that they should cry 24/7, but at least when they need to express, and we should not judge them. Because this judgment which we pass on every small thing is what affects their mental being. We have always been talking about the struggles of a woman when she is married off to a man. How she has to manage so many relations, how she has to accept the new surname and other things. I'm not demeaning her struggles, but don't you think it is the same for a man too? He also gets involved with a number of new relations. He's the bridge that balances his own family and his wife. He has to always take care that the two are in perfect coordination and balance. And about leaving one's home, thanks to the 21st century and this decade, most of the people leave their homes as soon as their 12th pass. Now talking about the mental pressures of a man. First, we call boys by names like mama's boy. And let me tell you, we call them so in a slight sarcastic way or so. Strange, where I think that it's good that he's a mama's boy rather than being an alcoholic boy. Plus, have you ever asked that mama's boy, "Hey, Are you missing your mom? You don't look good. There are very few who do that. Please, next time when you come across someone like this, do ask him once. Maybe he'll not share because to break the years old rule for him, it won't be easy. But at least he'll feel good. Second, boys are in general taught to do all the outdoor stuff for a home. कुछ लाना है? अरे वो मोंटी को बोल दो ना, वो ले आएगा. अरे सोनी को क्यों भेज रहे हो? वो है तो मोंटी ले आएगा. Okay, fine. And now Monty has to do the household chores also क्योंकि नहीं तो फिर Monty is a patriarch. Dude, come on, Monty is a human first. He has some wants, he has some needs. Maybe he just wants to cook and he is just okay with not going outside and working for the whole family. But we are so double-faced that on one hand we support women empowerment, and if a woman is the one who is working and the man is doing the house, we again put questions on the abilities of the man. Why? Is this not women empowerment in its real sense? We should rather salute such men who are not driven by the ways of society. Third, it looks so cool when a girl is riding a bike or a bullet. Is it the same when boy rides a ladybird bicycle? I doubt though. These seem very small and minor incidents, but hold on. बूंद बूंद से ही समंदर बनता है. जब हर दिन तुम्हें कोई कहे you are not worth it, you don't deserve it, you are not a man enough to be called a man, it has serious impacts. Impacts that can last longer than imagined. And remember, like there are bad women around who misuse the sole power of being a woman, but we still get up for women and their rights. Likewise, there may be bad men around, but judging everyone with the same stick is not a solution. They too have emotions and feelings, and sometimes they need your back. Please be generous to provide that. Do you know what is the golden mantra we should use? जियो और जीने दो. वो जैसे चाहता है उसे वैसे जीने दो, अपनी कंडीशंस पर नहीं. We often want that if we are living a certain way, he should also live the same way or in a way which is not as good as ours. Because we cannot digest that someone is better off than us. Let's stop this first. We should be grateful for what we have, which we earlier did not. And we should spread love. Like every time I say, if you need anyone to hear you out, you can always reach out to me. Mental health is important and is a reality. Please take it seriously. Stay happy and stay safe, and we'll meet you in the next episode. Bye-bye.